Experience the best Smoky Mountain adventures. Adventures V presents White River Rafting at Kolad on the 6th May. Organized one-day trip to Kolad for White River rafting lovers at Kundalika River. Cost just Rs 2,100. Inclusive of traveling from Mumbai. 12-kilometer White River rafting experience. Commando crossing activity. Burma Bridge activity. Breakfast. Veg and non-veg lunch. Pali Balaleshwar Ganesh Temple sightseeing. First aid and expertise charges. Get set ready for 6th May 2018. Fun will begin at 5 a.m. onward from Andheri East. Call or WhatsApp for more details.